If you have a Fidelity account, you've probably seen these three options pop up: Spaxx, Fzfxx, and Fcash. They sound complicated, but they're just different ways to hold your cash. Let's break down which one actually pays you more. First, what are these things? Spaxx and Fzfxx are money market funds. Think of them like super safe mutual funds that hold things like treasury bills and government bonds. Your money earns interest and you can take it out anytime. Fcash is different. It's just cash sitting in your account. Fidelity can borrow this money for their business, which is why they pay less. Here's what matters. The yield, as of November 2025, Spaxx pays about 3.6%, FCFXX pays almost the same, around 3.6% too, but Fcash, it only pays 1.9%. That's almost half of what the money market funds pay. So if you had $10,000 sitting there for a year, Spaxx would earn you $360, while Fcash would only earn you $190. That's a $170 difference just for clicking a button. So, which one should you pick? Between Spaxx and FCFFX? Between Spaxx and FZFXX, it honestly doesn't matter. They're almost identical, and both are super safe, and both let you access your money instantly. FZFXX invests only in treasury securities, while Spaxx includes other government-backed stuff, but the difference is tiny. Just pick one and move on. The real mistake is leaving your money in Fcash. It's the default option, but it pays way less. Bottom line, switch to Spaxx or FZFXX instead of Fcash. You'll earn almost twice as much interest for literally zero extra risk. And remember, you shouldn't keep cash in these accounts long term anyway. The real money is made by investing, not parking cash. But for the money you do keep there, make it work harder for you.